I'm about to do a collective reading for the collective. Hey, Asia. All right. What does the collective need to know right now at this time? My spirit. Make sure y'all double tap the live. Tapping is clapping. Make sure y'all double tap the live, y'all. Share the live. Please and thank you. All right. Thank you so much for the double taps. Right. What does the collective need to know right now at this time? All right, y'all ready? Step out of your comfort zone. Let me turn this goddamn filter off. Oops, sorry, y'all. Because I don't like how y'all can't see the card. Like, I don't like that. So, yeah, let me turn it off. Okay. Better. Okay, better. So, it says step out of your comfort zone. I don't know who this is for, but obviously it's for you if you're watching, if you're here. So you need to step outside of your comfort zone. Stop being afraid. There's nothing to be afraid of. There's nothing to fear but fear itself. Okay, collective? So, yeah. Step outside of your comfort zone. Take a leap of faith. Finish that project. Use your voice. Use your talent, skills, and ability. Whatever talent, skills, and abilities that God gave you, use them. Okay? Because someone may need what you have to offer. Okay? It is important. You are important, and what you bring to the table on the greater scale of things is important. You matter and you add value. Okay? So whatever it is you do, don't stop doing it. Do more of it. Okay? Because it is connected to your purpose. All right, so we getting deep here, okay? That was just the first card, okay? That was the okay. Luck, because luck is on your side. Okay, Spirit is talking. Luck is on your side. I don't know who this is for, but step outside of your comfort zone because luck is on your side. Okay? And you around here scared. And you lucky. You is lucky than a four-leaf clover, okay? A time to give rather than take, okay? With the new moon in Virgo. We just had a full moon in Virgo, but you know, it's time for you to give, okay? I feel like a lot of y'all are blessed. You received a lot. It's time for you to give back, okay? Whenever you have the opportunity to sow a seed, to give back in whatever way you see fit, make sure you do it when you have the opportunity to, okay? That homeless person that's been hounding you every day for the past 10 years, just give them $5 or something. Okay? Thank you, Fiona. You know, do something for someone else. Okay? Don't just be asking and begging the universe, just for all this stuff and you not giving back. Okay? Because I feel like you guys have a lot to be thankful for. Practice gratitude, too. What else? What's the last word? What's the last word? Somebody may be envious and jealous of you too. That's how far you come. Jealous of your journey, jealous of your drive, jealous of your ambition, jealous of your will, okay, to persevere. Someone hates how strong you are. And that's crazy. Let's see what else. Let's see this is my collective need to go. Oh my God. Blossoming abundance. Yes. Yes. I love it. Yes. Y'all is lucky. I told y'all lucky. Yes. And I keep saying three. A lot of y'all could be seeing the number three, 333. 3 months, 3 days, 3 weeks could be significant. Yes, I love that for y'all. That is a positive card, okay? Y'all walking into prosperity and abundance. Y'all are walking into flow, and I feel like it's right behind after you take this leap of faith by stepping outside of your comfort zone. Because look, door to personal healing and happiness. Y'all better stop playing. Look what's for you. Look what's waiting for you on the other side of fear. Okay? Look, it's beautiful. Okay? A lot of y'all could be 33 or 34. A lot of y'all financial situation will probably begin to change in like 30 days, 34 days. This could be 34 days away, 3 weeks, 3 months. But this is beautiful, bountiful blessings. This is bliss. This is happiness. This is joy. This is everything you want. You can get it, y'all. You just have to believe. You just gotta be patient. Spirit says, be patient. It's on the way. Your time is coming. She holding a clock. Your time is coming. Just be patient. Okay? Just be patient. You know what I'm saying? Be happy for everybody. Be humble. You know what I'm saying? Celebrate other people's wins because your time is coming. I feel like y'all been doing that. A lot of y'all been patiently waiting for y'all time to come, and it's you have arrived. You will be arriving soon. Okay? Just keep your eye on the prize. Keep your eye on the GPS. Okay? You know when the GPS be like arriving, you'll know when you've arrived because it's gonna say it arriving. Okay? Yes, I love this reading. I love this for y'all because I feel like a lot of us have been through so freaking much. You know what I'm saying? And it is well deserved. It is our time, chosen. It's your time. Shit, I'm claiming this reading too now. Shit. Okay, let's see what else. What else does Spirit have to say to my collective? This is a beautiful reading, y'all. I love this for us. Yeah. Yeah. All right. No, I don't want to join y'all in no battle. Okay. I'm talking to the collective right now. Yeah. Thank you for giving me that 1K. Hi. Thank you. Tapping is clapping, y'all. Oh, what's this? What? This is what covers you. The Four of Wands? Come on, man. It don't get no better than this. Marriage, celebration, success. Okay? The next stage. Y'all leveling up. Let me find out the collective is leveling up. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up. Okay? Yes. Yes. Spirit saying a lot of y'all passed the test. Y'all are about to get rewarded. Harvest season is here. It's coming. It's on the way. Okay? Springtime can be significant. Okay? Oh. Hold on, y'all. flew out. Ooh, Three of Cups. Y'all could be having a lot to celebrate. Look. Yes. Cheers. Congratulations. Win a sign card. Y'all got a sign card. The most positive card in the deck. Y'all got the sign card. Y'all is showing eye. Oh my god. Success, happiness, prosperity, love, joy, bliss. Yes. Woo, child. I'm loving this. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Okay. Mm-hmm. New beginning. Y'all finna have a new beginning. Okay. Listen. I'm about to have a new beginning. Okay. Then we got the Five of Cups. Okay. So y'all may have had to let somebody go in order to achieve this. You know? Or you may have experienced a lot of pain in your past. That's behind you. Okay. You guys could be feeling enthusiastic at this time, very creative. You know, you guys could be taking risks, feeling very passionate about a project or something. Okay. Yeah. You guys could be traveling somewhere too. See what else. What else the spirit want us to know? Ooh. Oh shit. So this is the Five of Swords. So somebody could be in competition with you. You know, with Page of Wands and the Five of Swords, somebody could be in competition with you. You may not even know it. It could be some tension between you and someone else. It could be you and your child's father or mother, or this could be with your mother or your father. Be some family issue. We got the we got the King of Wands. Hmm. King of Wands, and let's see what else. Six of Pentacles. Somebody somebody can see you. People may see you as generous. You know, with the Six of Pentacles, like or wealthy. Okay. I feel like some of y'all may fear of losing y'all independence, or you could have gave to someone who may have taken advantage of you, or you're afraid of people taking advantage of you. Okay, let's see what else. Hmm. With the hangman, you guys could be having a change of perspective or seeing things from a different point of view. We'll kind of fill out the bottom of that. And then you got the Eight of Wands, right? So you guys could be receiving, or you could be waiting on some news, or you guys could be receiving some unexpected news. Somebody is going to be contacting you soon, or there's going to be a sudden change. It could be a sudden change of mind, of perspective, or environment. Somebody's getting up and going. You could be taking a trip soon. Like it could be like last minute trip or something. Hmm. Some of you guys are natural leaders, or you may be very mature or always have been mature for your age. Like you've always had a certain wisdom about you. You guys could be juggling your finances at this time or juggling your time, or you could be dedicating yourself to a lot of different projects right now. Could be a lot of demands for you for your energy right now. But I feel like it's somebody that you may need to watch around you with the Page of Swords. Somebody deceitful or somebody that's manipulative around you. So be careful. Be careful of this energy. Somebody could be sending you evil eye. Somebody may feel like you left them behind or you're leaving them behind. Like I said earlier, it's like somebody can't stand how strong you are and how you always make it through whatever you're going through. But you guys are making progress and you're moving forward towards the future. Yeah, with the Wheel of Fortune, luck is on your side. Again, luck is on your side. Okay, so things are going to start turning into your favor for sure if they haven't already. So you guys are going to be receiving some good karma for some of the seeds that you've planted in the past. It could be something you did years ago, or even months ago. Wow, collective. So that's your reading. I hope it resonated with y'all. Let me know what y'all think about the reading when it comes to career and finance and collective. What does collective need to know in regards to finances and careers? Arguments. Y'all got arguments. Be on guard with who you deal with in terms of any money related matters. Make sure everything is in order to avoid monetary problems. There could be some financial disputes, arguments about money. Watch your money, you know, watch who you do business with. It may not be good business people. Stability. Okay. Your financial future promises to be stable and prosperous. See? Like I said in the other reading, take control of your finances to create stability in your life. Excellent time to take action on any money related ventures. Yes, y'all. Financial stability. Okay. Okay, collective. Y'all get y'all money right like Kanye. Okay. Prudence. Ooh, it says don't let the balance of your credit cards get too high. Put something aside for a rainy day. Stay within budget and start living within your means. Okay? Stop overspending and live within your means. If you can't buy it twice, then don't buy it at all. I mean, you can't afford it. Okay? All right. Let's see. Designer. You're being called to tune into your own individuality and express yourself. A career in fashion, art, or any artistic endeavor could be just for you. Get creative with your finances. Perhaps it's time to discover a new talent. Okay. Yeah, so you guys could be starting new careers or tapping into your passions or your gifts. I love that for y'all. Rebel at the bottom of the deck. It says you're a trailblazer meant to see things differently and set a new path for others. Your rebellious spirit makes you a great system buster to teach others a better way. An old belief about money could be preventing you from getting ahead. Get out of your own way, collective, because you could be stopping your own bad. You know, you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. Okay. So wait. Um, Hold on. Oh, sorry. Hold on. My bad, y'all. I just realized I'm missing something important to me, and I ain't seen it in a minute. I think I know what happened to it, but that's messed up if that's what happened to it. But anyway, I'm sorry to interrupt y'all reading like that. Alright. So let's see what else. Um, when it comes to hold on. When it comes to money, see what else. What else in regards to finances and careers for the collective? What else? Wow, y'all got this again. Dorset, personal healing and happiness, abundance, prosperity, happiness. Y'all is moving on up, okay? And then we got women holding the heart. Shit, y'all may even find romance, okay? Shit. Look, I just said y'all may even find romance. And look, sharing connections. What else? What? Cornucopia? This is abundance. This is harvest. Remember I said y'all harvest season is now. I don't know if I said that in the last reading or the reading before that, but I said it. I said it. Y'all getting that good karma back. Okay. At the time of financial constraints or financial struggle, y'all y'all received the cornucopia. Or you could be worried about your finances. Okay. Thinking about um the future or what you need to do, what business you need to handle, or you're thinking of a plan. A lot of y'all may be planning y'all exit, but just thinking about it gives you anxiety though. You know, some of y'all may be slow to change. Okay, y'all may fear the unknown. You could be uncertain about a particular decision or situation, but you are protected. You got Archangel Michael here. You're protected. It's two cars too. So you got seventh chakra Archangel Uriel. You're definitely protected. And you got three archangels. Archangel Raphael. Okay. So like you getting access to like the Akasha records. Like you are gonna receive divine healing. Or you are a healer. You healed from a situation that caused you anxiety, that was, causing you a lot of probably hurt and pain and anxiety, sleepless nights. But you guys are slowly healing from that. You guys have been protected this whole time. You got angels around you. You have a direct connection with source energy. and it's beautiful. Wow. Wow. That's beautiful. Look, daughter spirit. I told you have a direct connection to spirit. Okay, this is your spirit family, your guardian angels, your guardian spirits, your ancestors, the divine. Okay, daughter spirit. You're just a phone call away. Okay, you listen. You can call up spirit and be like, "What's up? What I gotta do? Like, what's the tea?" Like, you have you have high rank in the spiritual realm. Okay, when you call, they coming because they know you. Your light shines bright in the spirit realm. Wow, that's beautiful. I love that. Okay, what else? Give me more. And see, I was just trying to see what's up with the finances, and look, it starts spilling more tea. Okay, your heart, your relationships are healing. Your relationship with money is being healed. Your relationship with self is being healed. Your foundation is being healed. Okay, you guys are having a new perspective, a new outlook on life. Okay, this shift in thinking is going to shift your reality. You are one decision away from your desired reality, whether you know it or not. Okay, maybe a few, but decision. Go back to decision. Okay, your commitment is being tested right now, so pay attention. Don't fall for the okie doke. Okay, because you're being tested. Don't let nobody trick you out of your spot. Okay, don't let nobody catch you slipping. Emotions are running high. So this is a very positive part. Okay. So whatever you're trying to do can very well be achieved. You will see a positive outcome with whatever this decision is. It says work through your fears because you're going to be good. You're very close to achieving your goal. Do you see this? Spirit is confirming everything that I'm saying. Okay? You are good enough. Do you see this? You are good enough. Yes. Full moon in Virgo. We just had a full moon in Virgo too. Okay, I can't make this up, y'all. I love this. I love this for y'all. It's time to release negativity so you can bring this in. Okay. Amazing. Amazing. So whatever this financial commitment that you're making or this new job, it's a positive outcome. Okay, just gotta work through your fears. Or you just may have to take a leap of faith, go in a different direction in order to achieve this abundance, this financial stability. It may require you to make sacrifices too. It may require you to be uncomfortable for a while, or you probably have been uncomfortable for a while. Okay? Yeah. That's your reading.